Good morning, guys. Well, actually, it's probably the afternoon or evening for those of you that are watching, but if you have never tried Vietnamese iced coffee before, you definitely need to give it a try. But welcome to this space, this hectic space I call my basement. For the past year, this has been where all of the Driven Media orders have been shipped out from. I started the company late 2022. I then lost my job and had to figure out what I was gonna do. So I decided to put everything I had into this company to allow myself to continue to do what I love. So it started with just making overlays down here for the GR86 and BRZ, and that turned into releasing my own merch, which turned into lighting and carbon fiber products, and we quickly outgrew this small space down here. I actually have inventory taking up my living room and kitchen upstairs, so I've been looking for my own space for quite some time now. I was actually anticipating moving into this space back in July, but construction got held up due to city inspections and all that. But now all of that is over and done with, and we can finally move in. What a hell of a way to start off the year, and I have you guys to thank. Whether you're just watching the videos or you're showing your support by buying products on the website, whether it's a jet tag, t-shirt, lighting product, or carbon fiber, I could not be doing this without you guys. So huge thanks to you for allowing me to continue on this incredible journey. But with that being said, let's hop inside the truck, take a little drive, and I'll show you guys around. Look at this frost that's built up on my door, guys. Oh gosh. We got dumped on the past few days. I had to dig a little trench for Winston because he's too short to make it through the snow here. Better grab this just in case we need it. Welcome to the new Driven Media headquarters. Let's take a look around the new space. First off, we essentially have this area right here, which is about 1,200 square feet. So from the garage door all the way back to the bathroom, there is ours. The rest of the space is Jeremy for him to store, obviously, his RV, other cars, and miscellaneous things. But this corner here is now Driven Media. I know it looks bare right now, but that's because I haven't actually moved much stuff in from the house because of the snowstorms that have been pounding us these past couple of days. You guys saw the snow. We did get the lift installed though, or partially installed. It doesn't actually work right now because the electrical work isn't done, but that is scheduled to be done on Wednesday, and then we can actually use this thing. We have the shelving units put up. I need another one right there. We'll grab that here in a bit. But that's obviously gonna be for the inventory. Shipping desk that I stole from our neighbors, we'll talk about that in a little bit, is in that corner. But then over in this corner, I'm hoping to have sort of a lounge area here. Couch, TV, maybe we should do a sim rig. Let me know what you guys think. Maybe we do a series where when guests come in, they do a fast lap around a certain track, and then we do a leaderboard. I'm not sure if we should do a VR setup, triple monitor. Maybe we should just keep it simple with a single monitor. Leave your recommendations down below. But guys, we freaking did this. Is that not crazy or what? I'm so stoked for this. Look at this, my own space, new videos, a lift to use for those videos. I am so excited to finish all this move-in and actually get to making videos again. Let's go grab the shelf that's next door and put that up real quick. For those of you that are wondering, the GR86 is just next door with the rest of these cars. So Driven Media is on the other side of that wall there. All these cars are waiting for that to be finished up, and then they'll be moved over there. So once we get everything moved in, we can move the GR86 over. For now, we need to grab this shelf. Winston, what do you think? He's not impressed. All right, we've got the last shelving unit put together. I actually forgot that we don't have any tools here, so all the nuts and bolts are just hand tight, but that's all right. We'll tighten those down later on. This is gonna be more for parts and projects that are gonna go on the cars. Speaking of which, this box just came in here from Tomei, so expect a video on this coming out soon. This is a new exhaust for the WX, so maybe I should get some winter tires for that car. But let's take a quick walk so I can show you guys one of our neighbors. Oh God, it is so bright out here. You guys know what sucks? Every time I've had to move warehouses, it's been during the dead of winter where it's freezing cold and there's been a bunch of snow. So when I was here a couple days ago for the lift install, this lot was covered in, I don't know how many inches of snow, maybe a foot of snow. And I didn't know if the plows were coming through, so I had to take a shovel and start clearing out the area in front of the garage so we could get the lift into the bay. Luckily, the plow did come through shortly after I started, so that saved me a bunch of backache. But this weather has certainly not made it easy. For those of you that are wondering, Driven Media is not some big fancy operation. It's literally just myself. And then my wife helps when she, oh shit. My wife helps when she can. And then we have Winston. But that means if you're supporting the company, you're directly supporting me and this channel, and you're not just giving your money to some big old corporation that doesn't really care about you. But now we gotta make our way over this big old pile of snow. I'm not sure if this is a good idea for me to climb through. I'm gonna go around. So one of our lovely neighbors, Paragon Performance. They have nothing to do with GR86s and BRZs or WXs, but let me show you guys what they do have. Hello. Oh look, here's Mini-Me. So Paragon specializes in the C8 Corvette, but what they also have over here, tucked back behind this wall, they've got a dyno. It's dark in there right now, you can't really see it, but this is gonna be super convenient every time we need to get some power numbers for the GR86 or the WX. We can just swing over here after we've installed some parts. If we need to change out some parts to compare power numbers, I can go back over to the shop, change out the parts, come back, get the power numbers same day within, I don't know, a couple hours depending on what is actually being installed, but super convenient. Also, Graham's over here, so if we need any tuning, he'll get us taken care of.
We got it.
Look at that guy. Oh my God, it's so cold. I think the high for today is like -5 and the low -18. It's not good. Came back just in time to receive our first pallet here at Driven Media. Nothing special, this is just shipping stuff, but now we have a trash can here. I'm not gonna bore you guys with any more of the unpacking and moving. I really need to just get it done with so I can start making more videos again, but I wanted to update you guys on what's happening with Driven Media. This is a huge life-changing event for me that I wanted to share with you guys. I never thought this was gonna be a thing, but here we are. It's not some fancy, huge building, but this is our own space and I could not be happier. If you guys have any suggestions on what I absolutely need here at the shop, whether it's tool suggestions or cool stuff that will make this space unique, leave your recommendations down in the comments section. Thank you guys again for helping me make all of this happen. Huge shout out to my wife as well. I wouldn't be able to do this without her. I know it hasn't been easy. Our house has been a mess, but she's stuck with me through all of this. If you guys have somebody that's stuck with you through all the tough crap, make sure you keep them around. But that's gonna do it for today, guys. If you're enjoying the new content and want to stay up to date on the upcoming content, make sure you hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching. Happy New Year. I'll see you guys next time.